Hi everyone. Today I'll be making phantom pulled pork. Why is it called phantom? Well, according to cookingprofessionally.com, which is where I got this recipe, its name comes from how the taste reminds you of great times from before and of even better moments in the future. I just figured because some of the ingredients are actually kind of hidden and you would be surprised as what goes in there. But what do I know? So what all goes into the phantom pulled pork? A 4 to 6 pound pork shoulder, boneless. I screwed this up. And I got a 7.5 pound Boston butt roast, which that's not the bad part. What I got was a bone in, and I did not realize that. So I'll be cutting around the bone. 1/3 cup cranberry juice, not the juice cocktail. 1 teaspoon salt. And for the sauce, 1 14-ounce can whole berry cranberry sauce, 1 cup ketchup, 1/3 cup cranberry juice, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 4.5 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground chipotle pepper, and I forgot to buy that. This recipe and me are not getting along. But I'm going to substitute smoked paprika with a little bit of cayenne pepper. 1/2 teaspoon liquid smoke, this is optional. And then hamburger buns, which I forgot to buy, and Dave's bringing home. So we'll have those when he gets home tonight. So let's begin. So take your crock pot. As always, I have a crock pot liner, easy cleanup. And it says that you're supposed to cut your roast in half and place the pieces in a slow cooker. Well, I had to cut mine in smaller pieces because it did have the bone, and I have about 5.5 pounds, so I'll put the pieces in the crock pot. Add the 1 teaspoon of salt, and add the 1/3 cup of the cranberry juice. Put your lid on, turn to low, and let that cook 8 to 10 hours. So we'll see you later on this evening. So take the roast out of the crock pot. So take a small saucepan. Combine the cranberry sauce, that's 1 14-ounce can, the 1 cup of ketchup, the 1/3 cup of cranberry juice, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, the 1/4 teaspoon ground chipotle pepper. I have 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And if you're using the liquid smoke, 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Turn your heat on to medium heat and cook and stir the mix until slightly thickened, about 5 minutes. Shred your meat. So skim the fat off the top of the juices, save 1/2 cup, and discard the rest. So I put the juices back in there, the 1/2 cup, put in our shredded pork back in the crock pot, and then add the cranberry sauce in over the pulled pork and mix that up thoroughly. And as you notice, I took my liner out so I could discard the juices. I didn't put another one in because the crock pot was very hot and I didn't want to burn myself trying to put that in. So I will have some cleanup to do, but that's okay. Let it continue to cook on low for 1 hour. So here is the phantom pulled pork, and running out the meal is steakhouse baked beans. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It's kind of I don't know. It's kind of sweet, kind of barbecuey. I like it. What is it?
It's called phantom pulled pork. It's got cranberry juice in it, and cranberry sauce, and brown sugar, and spices.
Oh, well, that'll make it kind of what I said then. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.